I'm Stephanie Hendrixson with Additive Manufacturing Media. I'm here at RAPID TCT 2022 in Detroit. For years, we've been talking about how additive manufacturing is going to advance into scale production. But that scale production is going to look unlike conventional manufacturing, where most automation systems are developed on the assumption of uniformity, that you're going to be making many of the same parts. Additive manufacturing doesn't work that way. Production is more likely to be high mix, low volume, or high mix, high volume. AM Flow is a company that's working on how to automate that production process. So they have this conveyor system that uses a camera to identify every part by its geometry. They match that back to the MES system to determine what bin the part goes into and what additional workflow step it is going to move on into. So parts can be sorted by what color they need to be dyed, what post-processing process needs to come next, or just where they're going to be shipped. The benefits of a system like this is that you reduce operator error, people putting things into the wrong bins or losing track of parts. You also just reduce labor overall, and all of that adds up to a reduced part cost.